Alright guys, I got the Magnum all shined up, looking pretty, and we're about to head to White Rose Motorcycle Club, so stay tuned for some AMA Pro Hill Climb action.
Hear that turbo on that Viking, nurses and not making it over the top of the hill, kind of a big story today, but again, we got round number 2 to get things turned around.
Sweet.
Last call, guys, last call. We need Premier to the starting line. Last call, Premier to the starting line.
That is nice. Damn! Oh! That was nice.
Here we have a yellow, black, white, and gray thingamabob. It's got some wheels. It's very color coordinated. We're liking it. I like the tires. It looks like some Mad Max shit going on right here.
It's nice.
That's
the GSXR with nitro. That's
race gas. We like race gas.
some nice shit. Never seen one of these before. It's pretty cool. And I thought that BMW was cool, and I noticed it was a 310. Oh yeah, that looks nice. That's cool. It's like they made, it's like a almost like a throwback one, but it's, oh, that looks nice. ZX10. That's a Pinbass Goldwing.
I got something with a one step. I'm not doing it. He literally took one step. Let's do that again. Let's do that again.
This thing's sweet. Gotta do my exhaust like that.
He's got the tan hat, his arm.
This is just long frozen.
Yep. Right here and no shirt on.
Thing's sweet.
So, sir, we want you to catch this without... It was all his fault.
Thing's sweet.
That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. How could he not have caught that? Alright, we're like, one. I'm still on the bike, but you're doing this for me.
So you got the brand new bike?
This one's buried. This one looks sweet.